went down at the offering price of $2.10. That's why we have a huge pullback, guys. This is a big turnoff for a lot of investors, and a lot of people got panic because the price was over or almost the $3. And as you can see here, the price offering for AMC was around the $2.10, and the market opened, or before they opened, it was around the $2.11, and now went below the $2, but we got a big buyer around the $2. That's why we have a wick. So we have to discuss now what the game plan. And before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, we always do update on our discourse and Patreon. Last time we did for AMC, we warned you guys around the $3, of course, level of resistance. And the price actually went there, almost went there, and now it's pulling back. So what we should expect for AMC, because right now the price is testing the $2, and right now $2.01, we have a huge wick after this news. And let me just show you what's happened, guys. Technically, we were pumping since beginning of June, and we did almost 72%, guys. 72% in almost or over 2 weeks. And guess what? In one day, we almost lost all this gain. It shows us that the trading is pretty volatile, especially for AMC. And of course, going up is not like going down. Going up is for stocks is harder, and even for you and me and in physics. If you're gonna go up, you have to expend more energy because you're gonna go against gravity. And if you go down, is simpler because you go with gravity and you fly down higher and harder and fall really fast. So this is the law of physics apply even on the stock market. That's why we pulled back really quick on this news. But what we should expect right now, we got a good buy over the $2. We're still holding the $2, but we have a wick where we tested at least the 193. So now we got a level that I'm seeing a lot of buyers and a lot of whale holding their position still over the $1.72. So this is where we should watch closely to confirm if this offering actually will affect the price for AMC and the long term, or this is just a little panic selling from the small fishes that panic on the news of the offering $2.10. But we don't care about the small fish, we care about the big whale, because the big whale who actually define the trend in the long picture or the long term in AMC price share. That's what we care about, which is because this is where you can make money. So for now, we got a nice reversal, and of course, we got a major seller. If we make this seller cover up, would be really good around give or take around the $2.40. So this is the major level that we might test in the coming days after this news. It's back 15% reversal test. Right now it's 26%. So if we have a reversal today and we have AMC go around 10% down, at least would be a really good reaction for a big buyer nearing the $1.72. If we don't test the $2.40 the coming days, yeah, this would be a weakness and confirmation for weakness if we broke the $1.72. So those two levels that we should watch for to diagnose the effect this offering on AMC. The first off is the health of the whale or the health of the buyer around the $1.70, and the second is the strength of the short sellers where they added here around the $2.40 again. On the news, I think it was Tuesday, yes, and pre-market, and they added before the market open, yes, and the news for AMC. So I'm watching those two levels, 240 and $1.72 for coming days. And of course, we're gonna do update for the price action for AMC minute by minute, second by second on our Discord and Patreon, where we do a lot of short updates for many stocks. And of course, tomorrow before the market open, as usual, 15 minutes or almost 30 minutes before the market open, on our YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Now, let us see what's going on with the rest of the market. Yeah, RDGT is pulling back. You see, guys, we got a lot of stocks is jumping, not just AMC, like RDGT is jumping, but now it's halted down. This one, I will take it from the list. ATLN, this is the strongest one. ADTX, again, this one did almost 100% and reverse up and still 21% for today. And yeah, silver and Brent oil are down. And this is usually not the case. Usually, if oil go up, the uh, silver and gold go down. But now with the market and war and everything is a bit pessimistic for the moment, for today especially, because everything is red, not just AMC, but as you can see here, AOI, AMD semiconductors that did really great jump last few days. We have a huge pullback for them. So don't take it personally. The attack that happened for AMC is actually happened for a lot of stocks, but there's always exception for pharmaceutical company like ATLN because we have huge news for it with ADTX. Those exception, guys, um, for the situation for today. But the whole market is kind of red. But there's always opportunity in the market when it's go red.